Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today it's just like another basic routine push-ups and basketball, but I'm gonna show you some tips before you jump in at the gym. First, you have to do not warm up, you have to do stretching to avoid injuries. Second of all, at least you have to sleep 6 hours to 8 hours to avoid collapse. And don't go to the gym if your stomach are full or just eat and then you jump in. At least if you eat heavy meals, probably 2 to 3 hours. And last thing though, you have to drink multivitamins, fish oil, and some protein. And for me, I don't do diet. I just go eat according to my goals. It's up to you if you eat or go diet. And last thing, don't cut too much weight. All you do, you have to stay on one weight. For example, 140 or 150, that's good. Me, I did try that. I cut down to 135. It's not too good. I feel lazy now. I'll stay in 150 to 160. Okay. Okay, the reason I was telling you this to avoid circumstances, and if you drink like multivitamins, protein, or pre-workout, please don't mix with alcohol. It's not too good. It happened to me. I almost just like that. From 10 to 0, I was shut down. Okay? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out.